People observed 31st Drivers' Day at various parts of Manipur today in honor of drivers for their selfless contributions. And SSA and Ramsa teachers submit memorandum to Education as department declaring non-involvement in any educational activities in demand for their 6-month pending salary. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Ibeto Talk with the top stories and latest news at this hour. 31st Drivers' Day is being observed at various parts of Manipur today in honor of drivers for their selfless contribution in the society. All Manipur Petroleum Tankers Drivers Union held the observance at Napungkhong Community Hall in Lairik Yengba Makhalekai. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Speaker K. Robindro urged the government to build rest houses for drivers on national highways. K. Robindro said he understands the inconveniences facing the drivers on duty as his father was once a driver. The Deputy Speaker also urged people to show gratitude and respect to drivers as they are the ones who ferry in daily essentials for survival. Attendees paid floral tributes to the portrait of late drivers. Gifts were also presented to surviving family members of the late drivers and to the retired drivers at the event.
Khoi driver singna chap ayung indin chaliba marak sida pothapam makhoi gidamak safe and sound oigedam pothapam mafam kharada machi michi khar thambita di hojik thoiba accident thokpa waraktana uirakpa yaurokpa sugumba thorok mayam thoiba karigumba sugumba station macha secure oiba jaga da thambita di sarkarna makhoi ju pothabai matam piba makhoi ju nungai matam pibdo khitang leita di makhoi ju yamna mating pangsi manipur sigi mating pangsi mathakta amwe su hena pangkatra khanje ngasi driver day ji thorom sida leibiri ba drivers pune makta ikok nonna manipur gi dumak sebak tobiri se makhoi da tekta kai da ba oibiyo habse si haina haje.
Speaking to media, President of All Manipur Petroleum Tankers Drivers Union, Y. Bhupen Chandra Ghosh, appealed to the government to take measures for curbing illegal tax collection by hill-based proscribed groups from goods truck drivers on Imphal-Dimapur and Imphal-Jiribam national highways. He also appealed to the government to mend traffic system into one way for trucks ferrying petroleum products on Jiribam-Imphal road to avoid road mishaps, ensuring smooth drive.
Koina authority da sarkar da koina hygienic with driver jingi awaba jinga che koi bulletin che chai kuding ge koi kano tor circular tok jabani masi naina biraga pracha section kuduna driver jingi sympathy pbo moral sympathy pbo encourage pbo loina norena driver association union leiba mayam sing sina transport association da akoi gi mapalam gi myo sing da office bearer when biganu akoi gi manipuri lon jum phajana khangda ba adigi voter lisu chanda ba adi mapalam dai lakwa jing da madu pb ganu masi tokpio yellow mi jing da laidai soi raba lairiba thaba phangda ba adagi mayam lairiba naron jingda kausan bidra madu sijan nabiu loinana je openly tholaga lawre jiri da chu ade dimapur da chu auji extortion gi changje henkalae aduna machi thingbiu counterpart singje unara.
All Manipur Drivers Welfare Association also observed the 31st Drivers' Day at Kaithalmanbi truck parking on National Highway 37 Imphal-Jiri Road today. Gracing the event, Konthozam MLA Dr. Sapam Ranjan and Sekmai MLA Ait Dingo appreciated the drivers for their valuable contributions in the society. MLA Ranjan called upon people to show gratitude towards the selfless drivers, while MLA Dingo urged the government to initiate welfare programs for them.
Ingzina moina chatliba lamben je akhoi chatliba kaino ja terrain sida awana yam targa chatpa kaino ni sigi mathak sida akhoi in fact harassment tawgi mahuta amoina support tawbiraga mogi awana tabana gari yadba bu hairo ana ye kaino tawbu hairo sigi amoina support pibi ga dawbune hana khanjai tu ga akhoi
jaba khangdana prajagni mta honor be sireida amuk makhoi da mu harassment tawbi ba se masi yam inhuman oiba adumba kaino oigani haidana ye admaina thamjage loinana akhoi lairiba driver sing sibu yam nungsi chana tawbiba makhoi bu support morally support tawbiba adagi moida facility imung manungi awana adagi family gi awana sing da khone saruk yabiba aduga loinana hoigi paliba government asina su hoigi driver sing sigi mohoigi welfare gi damakta khanba yamna tangai fadaba lei haibasi mai myam da.
Manipur State Transport Drivers and Conductor Union also observed Drivers' Day at the MST office in Moirangkom today. Speaking on the occasion, MST Joint Director Laisham Dalina said MST has organized the observance for the first time to honor drivers for their contributions in the society.
In 2017 gi June dagi MST se amuk hanna nauhona na start tawzaraga akhoi goal sina Imphal city with rural parts of Manipur connectivity provide tawba masi akhoi target ni drivers and conductors na yamna wana selflessly makhoi na connectivity pi makhoi contribution mayam sibu koina regard to boina akhoi driver sing sida amadi akhoi conductor sing sida ngasigi day se celebrate tawraga akhoi respect regard and appreciation for their work to uchabani.
Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA and Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan Ramsa teachers have submitted a memorandum to the Education Aid stating that they will not take part in any educational activities if their 6-month due salary is not given to them at the earliest. The teachers submitted the memorandum to the Education Aid's director at the Education Aid's office in Lumphel this morning. Speaking to media, Joint Secretary of Joint SSA Ramsa Teachers Association of Manipur, Nomaithem Prakash Chandra, said that they will not take part in the upcoming board examinations or any activities under School Fagadhansi mission if their pending salary is not released at the earliest. He appealed to the government to bring a permanent solution to the matter at the earliest by acknowledging their plights.
Manipur government akhoi SSA madi RMS gi oja sing si 2011 dagi regular employee moina appoint to bibani adubu regular employee orga su regular employee magi hak tu ding si phok phangdri amasina maram orga akhoi gi SSA ma amadi RMS gi oja sing na mamangda lokthok chagi ba legre akhoi laiba metric ki board exam amadi council gi exam da akhoi thabak yawjaroi ngasi dagi school gi training amadi school gi thabak sing da amta yawjaroi adugo loina na akhoi Manipur government gi achobu mission amang loina paikhat liba akhoi gi school phaganji mission sida backbone oina pudorisi RMS amasung SSA gi ojani adubu akhoi yawdana government chalaiba ngamra haibado akhoi SSA ma de RMS gi oja sing maikai dagi phongdok.
Meanwhile, Education Aid's Director T.H. Kiran Kumar has assured that the teachers' pending salary will be released at the earliest. Speaking to media at Education Aid's office, T.H. Kiran Kumar said SSA and Ramsa teachers are paid under a central scheme and their grants have been irregular since the start. He lamented that the teachers have denied to hold a meeting with the government to discuss on their issue. T.H. Kiran Kumar appealed to the teachers to cooperate for resolving the same.
Mathak thongmadura chatminara wari bu saruji bu hairu moi pn da sumaina bu hairu ji bu hairu moina seida chi pisali bu ji budi moi aning ma pam du budi khanarani adu makha tarakpada akhoi kari tawba yage do tana budi chumi moina tawdre akhoi tawre habadi leite thawning madagi mayam hairam budi yai adu akhoi gi oja kani huji emission gi matamni angang anauba huji ki mingjan matamni moi gi mateng yam darkar tai school phajana chalaibada sarkar na su akhoi gi tolok ki even financially kitang waragasu tolob nina soidan ki pigani habadi haidi hai adu chieda pithorakpa amadi tasengna pithorakpa ne khoi ngairis.
Former Works Minister K.H. Ratan Kumar has denied issuing any work order for repairing the road from Sigmaijin to Kordak Bridge during his tenure as claimed by MD Akhil Ahmed of Passenger Vehicle Association. MD Akhil Ahmed reportedly made the claim through media on January 10. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan in Imphal today, K.H. Ratan Kumar said sanction for the road repair was granted during his tenure, but due to incomplete tender process, the work order was issued only on October 13, 2017 by PWD Chief Engineer. He warned MD Akhil Ahmed of legal actions if he failed to clarify the same within 3 days.
अखोई सिंगमाइजिन दगिना खोराक थोंग भौबा मसिदा अखोई सेंट्रल रिसोर्स फंड की CRF तगी थबक अमा हुजिक याम कन्ना सूरीबा थबक असि आइना पिरंबा नियना हाइना यावरकपा मदु आइगा मरी लेनदे हाइदना आइ हानान सेंदोकसरी हुजिकी MD अकिल अहमद आइना मा यावरिबा representative ni ana haibase maon du so ina mi thadana ai haire ngarang bawgi matam ji piraga nang na khangning ba leiraga su aingonda lao aduga masigi matang sida aseng badu khangmina si en haiba matam da ma ji lau yadre aduna maram oraga tangai fodana emde aki ha amata haijaningi si masi numit humni gi matam da mana masigi matang sida sengdo kadobani asum badu karino haibadu.
Unknown miscreants have planted one Chinese hand grenade in front of a shop at Sangai Pro under Lumphel police station in Imphal West. One 40-year-old KH Rakesh, son of Kumar from Tera Yengkom Lerag, runs a shop at the rental room owned by one Gunikanta from Sadokpam. According to Impact News sources, one non-Manipuri found the hand grenade. Upon being informed, Manipur police personnel immediately rushed to the spot for investigation. Later, Manipur bomb disposal team recovered the bomb and disposed it off safely at a garbage disposal site in Lumphel around 9 this morning. Lumphel police has registered a case and investigations are underway. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on 16th state level Kachar Lemon Festival, which began today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you are watching Afternoon News. 2 days 16th set level Kachai Lemon Festival began at Kachai village in Ukhrul district today. Kachai Fruit Farming and Processing Cooperative Society Limited organized the festival funded by North Eastern Council along with EBADA, MIDH and MoMA, Horticulture Department, Tourism Department, MSCS at Kachai local ground. Lemon farmers of the area are displaying their products in 89 stalls. Top 3 lemon farmers will be presented 25,000, 15,000 and 10,000 rupees each respectively. Joint Director of ICAR Research Complex for North East Region, Manipur Center, Dr. N. Prakash, MoMA Project Director K. Devdatta and many people attended the event.
Hardly 5 gram chips they are selling at 10 to 20 rupees. If our farmers can make good packing, so your value is the more. So my humble request to the farmers, you go for value addition and post harvest more training so you can take advantage there. If you want to export outside, you need more quantity. Our hardly 150, 15 to 20 tons one wagon. So we need more production. More production we need, so we need area expansion.
Press release from Chief Minister's Secretariat says the combined Hill Leaders Day and People's Day for December 2019 and January 2020 will be held on January 15. Government has announced a scheme for voluntary registration of all drones and their operators. The registration can be done by the 31st of this month. Civil Aviation Ministry said in a notice that those who fail to register will face action. A Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry FICCI co-chair committee on drones last year had estimated that the number of illegal drones in India are likely to be between 50 to 60,000. Now the sport news. Hero I-League match between Neroka FC and Real Kashmir is underway at Imphal's Kumal Lampak main stadium since 2 this afternoon. Another Hero I-League match between Minerva Punjab and Mohun Bagan is also underway at Punjab's Guru Nanak Stadium since 2 p.m. today. It may be mentioned that Mohun Bagan has occupied the first position of the league's table tally with 13 points, while Minerva Punjab has secured the third position with 10 points. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. People observe 31st Drivers' Day at various parts of Manipur today in honor of drivers for their selfless contribution. And SSA and Ramsar teachers submit memorandum to Education as Department declaring non-involvement in any educational activities in demand for their 6-month pending salary.